Hello and welcome back to the JILBOTICS Classroom. I am Olunlade Joshua, and today we are going to be using the serial monitor to display the value or the button state of our LED and to display some other things too. So now, what is the serial monitor? Well, simply put, let us say the serial monitor is a console. Look at this button here. Look at my mouse. Look at where I am now. It brings out the value serial monitor. Click it and your serial monitor comes up. Here it is. So the serial monitor, you can see that nothing is displaying now. That's because I've not yet started using it. The serial monitor is a console. I did not initialize it in the code that is presently running on the Arduino, so nothing is showing up. So the serial monitor is a console where you can send information from your Arduino to your computer. Now let us use it. As I said in the previous video, when you want to start using the serial monitor, you have to initialize it with the serial.begin function, and this is very important. In fact, this is a note of warning. Anytime you are using the serial monitor, do not forget to put the serial.begin function. That could be the reason why your serial monitor is not displaying anything. So now starting, I'll add the serial.begin function, serial.begin, then 9600 as the parameter. I want to use a baud rate of 9600, and in my code it's actually quite simple. What I want to do is that I'll just use the serial.print function to print the button state, and in here I'm just going to type in button state. So it is going to print the button state. Now let me upload the code to the Arduino Uno, and the sketch is compiling right now, and then it's uploading, and it's done uploading. So let me open up my serial monitor. Here is the place where I open up the serial monitor, and I'm clicking it now. Okay, my serial monitor has come on, and you can see that it's just typing, it's just bringing in 0000 on my monitor. So okay, let me reduce this. Yes, now I'm going to press my button, and you know what we are printing is the button state, right? So you will see that it will change from 0 to 1 now. You can see that it has changed to 1, and the LED is on, and now it is 0, and now it is 1, and now it is 0. But I don't like the way it is displaying because it is just displaying in a straight line. I want it to display the next value on a new line. Like I want it to display straight, not horizontally like this, but I want it to display vertically. So what do? That is where the print line function comes in, print ln, and I'll just add ln to that code. It was print before like this, and then I added ln. You will see the difference now, and now I'm uploading my code again, and it's compiling the sketch, and now it is uploading the sketch. Okay, if I've never mentioned this, a code in Arduino is also called a sketch. Okay, and this is my serial monitor, and you can see that it is now displaying better now, 0, and I'll press it now. So remember, it is displaying the button state. So what you told the Arduino to do is that if button state is 1, switch on the LED. If it is 0, switch off the LED. You can see that it is 0 now, and the LED is off. When I press it, it is 1. So this value, this 1 that is displaying, is the value of the button state, which is on now and then off now again. So I'll just make some adjustments to make it readable, to make my serial monitor readable. So I'll just add this serial dot print line 2. Okay, and I will actually add a string. Remember, the double column is to add a string. Okay, so I'll type button state, then column. So it will actually print out this string for me exactly like this. when you are typing in a variable, when you want your serial monitor to print out a variable, you just type the variable inside the brackets of the serial.print or serial.println function. But when you want it to bring out a string, you make sure that you use the double quotation mark, this mark. If you have gotten there in C++, you would understand what I'm saying better. Okay, so now I'm just going to I'm going to upload the code now, and it's compiling. And then it's uploading, and it's done uploading. So I'm opening up my serial monitor again, and you see it's actually saying button state, then colon, then putting 0 on another line. So when I press it now, you can see that it has changed to 1 and 0, but I want it to be on the same line, so I'll just remove this print line. So I'll make it dot print, and this is just for feedback mainly. It is good. The serial monitor can help you to how do I put it, can help you to get feedback, which will help you to debug your code if something is wrong. So now I'm opening up my serial monitor again, and this is nonsense. Actually, you can see that the 0 is displaying before this button state, and if I press it, it changes to 1, but this is not what I want. So what is wrong? Okay, well, I don't want it to input a new line after button state. I actually want it to print button state, then print this value before it now brings in a new line. So this is where I'll put ln, and this, you will know it by practice. If it seems confusing right now, just try to print a few things on the serial monitor, and before you know it, you will soon start getting it. So the code is uploading, and it's done uploading. So, and voila, this is what I want. So anytime I press it, button state is 1 and 0. Button state is 1 and 0. Button state is 1 and 0. So next thing I want to do is to say if the LED is on or off. Okay, so how I will achieve that is by let's see, what should I do? Okay, let me create a string. That is the variable for a string, and I will say LED val. So I'll now put that equal to that. So LED value is equal to this, and you will see what I want to do now. So I will type here, you know, here I told the Arduino that if button state is 1, then switch on LED. So what I'll do here is to type LED val will then be equal to on. Don't forget the double quotation mark anytime you are putting a string. So else here it should change, LED val is equal to off, and I will actually just write it here. So serial.print, and I won't print line again. What I'll just do is to print serial.print. Okay, what I'll just do is to print a few spaces. So you can see I just typed in those spaces just to space it, then serial.print okay, so I will type LED is, and then serial.print, but this is my last word, so I'll print line, serial.print line, then it will just be LED val. So let us see if what I just wrote will even compile. We're keeping our fingers crossed now. Okay, it actually compiled. Now let me upload it to my Arduino board. And you can see it's uploading, and it's done uploading. So let me open up my serial monitor to see if what I typed is making sense. Okay, wow, look at it. Button state is 0 and LED is off. When I press it, button state is 1 and LED is on. You see that? So that is what makes Arduino beautiful. You can get feedback on what you've done, and you can see that all this you have written yourself. Thank you for watching this video. This video is actually a bit longer than I expected it would be right now, but I hope you understand the concept. Serial monitors can be used to get values from your Arduino. So we'll use this very much in the videos to come. So if you have any questions as to what I have done in this class, please ask on the classroom platform provided for you by JILBOTIcs. Till we meet again, I am still Olunlade Joshua. Bye for now.